One app I'm most excited about on Mando is the AI Assistant. I mean, I love it so much. I use it every day and it's a game changer for me. It comes with so many features and you can use it in so many ways if you know how to make the most of it. And the best part, it's already included with your base subscription. Now, creating a clunky rag might not be super hard, but creating one that actually works, that can find a needle in a haystack, this requires a lot of experimentation and a lot of product iteration to get it right. And this is exactly what we did on Mando. So imagine this. You have all your company's documentation and knowledge in one place, instantly searchable by your employees. So there's no more of, oh, where is that file? And who knows how this works? It's all there, available for your employees. It can be used for your daily operation. It can be used, for onboarding or just for getting things done much, much faster. And it's not just for companies. I mean, if you are a freelancer, you can definitely use it. At the moment, I have my AI assistant that I created using Mando loaded on another screen. And I have all the relevant documentation to our Mando's a project. And I use it every day, every hour, whether to find things or do some analysis, and even for content creation, like creating this video script. So yes, as I said earlier, it's super useful if you know how to make the most of it. Actually, one of our users took it to another level. So he created an AI assistant for competition analysis. So he loaded all his competitors' information. He crawled their websites using Mando and other resources. And he used it to understand the competition landscape in his industry. So yeah, you can get creative, create your own AI assistant and use it as you like. Even if you are a content creator, why not creating your AI assistant and try to monetize it? Anyway, let's get started. Let's show you how we create an AI assistant and crack on. So to create your AI assistant on Mando, you should hit the home page of your workspace/organization and then click on create an app. So for the sake of this demo video, we will create a HR AI assistant for our employees at Mando, answering questions related to HR policies and compliances and so on. So we'll give it a name and a description, okay? And then hit create an app. Oh, I have to select AI assistant and then create an app. So yeah, we created a HR AI assistant on Mando. Click here to preview your assistant. So this is the default look and feel of Mando's AI assistant. And now we'll go back and make some styling and other changes. So once you create a new app, you will be redirected to the home page or the overview page of your app, where you can see all the relevant stats and numbers related to your app, such as conversation, messages, visitors, page views, etc. Let's go down to the settings page and make some changes. So this is the general setting page. Again, here you can preview your assistant. This is the general setting where you can activate or deactivate your app. Feel free here to remove the branding part by just clicking on the toggle button. This is the custom domain. So you can host your AI assistant on your own domain or subdomain. We will get to that at the end of this video. This is the analytics part. So if you need any additional analytics, you can just add your Google Analytics Stream ID. And this is the password protection settings. And the idea behind it is that you can share your AI assistant only with those who have the password that you create using this setting. And I will activate that and I will create a password. So I'll just create like an easy password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then hit save. Okay. Let's go now and make some changes related to the AI model and maybe the prompt. So the default is the GPT 4.1 mini. I'm happy with this model. I'm not going to make changes. Mando supports lots and lots of models. If you've seen previous videos, you should know that. And then now, in terms of the prompt, I'm actually happy with the current prompts. I'm not going to change it. However, if you want to change it, please be careful. This is more like, if you're not an advanced user, I would just leave it as it is. It should do the job. What I'm going to change is only the maybe the style of communication. I'll just change it to just make it be funny. So you can set the persona and the style of communication you like. Okay, so I will hit save. Now let's move to the user collection. So the user collection, basically you're asking the AI agent to collect the user's data, and you can set when the user collection happened during the conversation. So if you set it on mandatory, that means the AI agent will ask for the user's information at the outset of the conversation, or you can just leave it optional or disable. In our case, I'll make it mandatory, and I will ask the agent to collect the name, the phone number, and the email address, and then I will hit save. And let's do a preview. Let's start. So yeah, now I am asked to enter the password we just created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, hello. Okay, so as you can see, it's asking me for the full name, email address, and telephone number. And then let's say Malaz, my name, let's say. Okay, so as I said, it only continued the conversation after providing all the relevant required data. So Malaz at Mando.cx, and then telephone number. That's not my real number, by the way. Okay, perfect. It's working. Okay, let's go now to the settings. And as you can see, I've already received a notification that the new user data is captured. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's me. Okay, so let's go back to the style. So I'm only going to change the action color. I'm going to make it black. I'm happy with the, I'm happy with the black and white. And then I will hit save. And then I will add maybe logos. So that's Mando's logo. And then I will add an icon. And then I will hit save. And then preview 6. Okay. So that's the logo we added. And yeah, it looks good to me. So let's move now to the header and the footer. So I'll just change this. Welcome to Mando AI Assistant. Okay, I'll keep the description as it is. As for the menu links, leave it as it is. Maybe I'll just delete the contact and then hit save. And finally, the footer. I'm only, well, you know, I mean, if you have social media links or other relevant links, you can just add it. I'll change that to use Mando, then the smart, okay, and then I will hit save. So that's pretty much it in terms of setting and, you know, style changes. Now I'm going to go and add maybe some quick prompts. So quick prompts are icebreaker buttons that you can add on the interface of your AI assistant to encourage users to initiate conversation with the AI assistant. So I will hit add new, then I will click, I will call that annual leave. And then here, what's the annual leave policy? Okay, and then I'll make it at the start of the conversation. This is it for now. I mean, I can add additional prompts, but let's make this video quick. So now we need to train our AI assistant on our documentation and on our knowledge. So what I have to do is to go back to the organization. But before, let's test it actually. So I'm going to hit on annual leave. This is the buttons we created earlier. So yes, I mean, it makes sense that the AI assistant doesn't have any information about the annual leave policy at Mando because we haven't trained it yet. So let's go now to the organization, and then we go to the content library where we add the content that we will train our AI assistant on. So that's the beautiful thing about Mando. You can link any document or a website or a file or a folder to any of your agent, or you can link it to multiple agents and so on. So we'll hit on files. So I already have 3 documents related to HR and security policies at Mando. They are just demo documents. So I'll add these files, okay, and then I will upload them. Okay, so now the AI assistant is being trained. There we go. So here are the files we just added. I just want to make sure that they are linked to the assistant we just created. So you tick and then change AI setting, and I'll make sure it's only linked to the HR AI assistant we created. Okay, and then I will hit save. Now let's go to the AI assistant and click again. And then now I will ask maybe the same question, which is what's the annual leave? This is embarrassing. It's okay. Annual leave policy. There we go. So that's the, it's coming from the documents we added earlier. I mean, you can go and check the documents. I think it's here. There we go. So yeah, 25 days per year via Charlie AI pro rata, and then up to 5 days can roll over the next year. So yeah, I mean, I can now start a new conversation by clicking on this button, or I can check my previous conversation with the same agent. It's very simple, very fast, and easy. And most importantly, it's super accurate. I mean, this is what we've been working on for months, which is, experimentation and product iteration in terms of data ingestion, in terms of chunking, and, all just to make the optimum RAG for our users. So now you can go back to your dashboard, and also you can check the messages here. So here are the, you can go to your inbox and check all the conversation between your AI assistant and the users who are interacted with it. I think this is it in terms of demo. Let's keep it short and sweet. And I hope you found it useful. And yeah, thank you very much.